How to transfer Google Photos from one account to another. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your Google Photos application. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your specific Google account and you also have access to all the photos that you would like to share to another. Now, tap onto your initial on your top right hand side. As you do so, you will see Photos Settings at the second last menu. Open it. And here you will see Sharing button. You have to tap on Sharing. Likewise, here you will see Partner Sharing. Open it. And the section, you can also change the edits here and tap on Select Partner. Likewise, you have to access your Gmail address if you would like to share your album. So simply type in the name or email address that is in your another phone. And once you do so, you have to tap on Confirm. Now the invitation has been sent to the email address that you mentioned. And now you have to simply accept the invitation from your another phone. And likewise, once you accept it, you will be able to see all the photos. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.